vaccines, ठीक है, vaccines. First dose of hepatitis B vaccine is given at, the first dose of hepatitis B vaccine will be generally given at, BCG is given at, B for BCG and B for birth, we have already remembered this. BCG will be given at generally birth, BCG will be given at birth. Look, we'll see the different type of generally normal national immunization schedule, NIS, for generally infants. So generally for infants, the BCG at birth or at as early as possible till 1 year of age. So this is generally at birth only, this is BCG, ठीक है, BCG. डोज, रूट एंड साइट, मोस्टली यहाँ पे डोज, रूट एंड साइट नहीं पूछता है, दे विल बी मोस्टली आस्किंग यू अबाउट द when to give, the time they will be asking you. So hepatitis B birth dose, that will be given at birth or as early as possible within 24 hours. The next is OPV 0, ठीक है, OPV 0 that is oral polio vaccine at birth or as early as possible, ठीक है, as early as possible within the first 15 days. OPV 1, 2 and 3 at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. OPV can be given till 5 years of the age. That also you must remember. Pentavalent 1, 2 and 3 that will be given at 6, 10 and 14 weeks and can be given till 1 year of age. यही दो चीजें में से पूछती हैं and most of the time people get generally confused that pentavalent or OPV में generally OPV can be given till 5 years of age whereas this pentavalent can be given till only 1 year. पेंटावेलेंट है तो इसमें 5 नहीं होगा, सो इसमें क्या याद करना, मतलब याद करने का एक तरीका, पेंटावेलेंट है तो इसमें 5 नहीं होगा, P फॉर पेंटा और पेंटा मतलब 5 होता है तो इसमें नहीं होगा, सो देयर विल बी 1 ईयर। और जो ऊपर पेंटा वाला है उसमें जनरली क्या होगा, ऊपर जो ओपीवी है उसमें क्या होगा, पेंटा वाला यानी कि 5 बता होगा, ठीक है, ऐसे करके आप याद कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट देखो, रोटा वायरस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो इट विल बी गिवन एट 6 वीक्स, 10 वीक्स एंड 14 वीक्स, कैन बी गिवन टिल 1 ईयर ऑफ द एज। नेक्स्ट इज आईपीवी 2 फ्रैक्शनल डोज एट 6 एंड 14 वीक्स ऑफ एज। मीजल्स, generally measles or rubella at the first dose it will be given at generally 9 completed months to 12 months, can be given till 5 years of age. JE1 Japanese encephalitis 1, 9 completed months to 9 to 12 months. Vitamin A, the first dose will be at 9 completed months with measles and rubella it will be given vitamin A first dose. So this much you must remember, ठीक है, at least इतना याद कर लो that at the birth which all vaccines are given, ठीक है, वहीं से questions most of the time they will ask you. Which of the following vaccines given at birth? Look again the same thing they are asking. Given at birth, that is nothing but BCG, OPV and HPV. हमने just अभी ऊपर पढ़ा, hepatitis B virus, OPV, oral polio virus and generally the BCG. What is the dose of vitamin A given in a child of age 1 to 8 years? So vitamin A की dose in the child of generally 1 to 8 years that will be 2 lakh international units every 6 months till 5 years. Less than 1 year में 1 lakh units and greater than 1 year में that is 2 lakh international unit, and here they are asking 1 to 8 years means greater than generally 1 year, so there will be 2 lakh international units every 6 months till 5 years of age. An 8-month-old child was found to have bitot spot or bitot spot, whatever you call it, and nyctalopia, ठीक है। What is the dose of oral vitamin A required? So बाइटट स्पॉट आ गया तो विटामिन ए का तो डेफिशिएंसी हमने खुद ब खुद डायग्नोज कर लिया। नाउ दे आर आस्किंग जनरली द ओरल डोज, द डोज ऑफ ओरल विटामिन ए रिक्वायर्ड एंड द चाइल्ड इज जनरली लेस देन 1 ईयर, सो इट विल बी जनरली 1 लाख इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स, यहीं से बन जाएगा पूरा चीज। नेक्स्ट देखो, व्हाट इज द अपर लिमिट ऑफ इनिशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट डोज ऑफ रोटा वायरस वैक्सीन? So for the rotavirus vaccine, what is the upper limit of initiation? Upper limit of initiation for the first dose of rotavirus vaccine, that is generally 15 weeks. Look, rotavirus vaccine generally, if we talk about the routine vaccination in rotavirus vaccines, minimum age is generally 6 weeks for all available brands, RB1, Rotarix, RB5, Rotatec and RB116 E, that is Rotavac. ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपको याद नहीं करना। Only 2 doses of RB1 are recommended. RB1 should preferably be employed in 10 to 14 weeks schedule. And if any dose in series was RB5 or RB116E or vaccine product is unknown, for any dose in the series, a total of 3 doses RB vaccine should be administered. Catch-up vaccine की अगर मैं बात करूँ, generally the maximum age for the first dose in the series is 14 weeks, 6 days. Vaccination should not be initiated for infants aged 15 weeks, 0 days or generally older, ठीक है। Next look, the maximum generally age for the final dose in the series is 8 months 0 days, 8 months 0 days, so this is generally 15 weeks upper limit of generally initiation, this is 15 weeks here. Which of the following vaccine can be given to AIDS positive child? In the AIDS positive child में अब क्या देना है नहीं देना, उसके लिए सबसे better thing how you have to generally assess this, that if the child or the person is AIDS positive, ठीक है, if he is AIDS positive means he is already in the immunocompromised state, ठीक है, already in the immunocompromised state, and many vaccines we know that they are either generally live vaccines, ठीक है. So mostly live vaccines, if we give in the immunocompromised patients, his innate immunity is already not working, and again you are generally taking out the live virus and keeping it in his body. So what will be there, the immunity will not be able to fight, and उससे generally क्या हो जाएगा, problem हो जाएगा. That's why all live vaccines are contraindicated. A child born to HIV positive mother, BCG should be given, IPV in place of generally OPV. OPV की जगह पे हम IPV देना हमको बेटर रहेगा. So all live vaccines are contraindicated. That's why the live vaccine here, that is DPT. Which of the following vaccines can be given, means generally this is not the live vaccine, so DPT can be given. BCG, OPV and measles are generally contraindicated. Instead of OPV we can give IPV. Osteomyelitis is side effect of generally osteomyelitis is side effect of which vaccine? So osteomyelitis is the side effect of generally BCG. BCG का side effect है osteomyelitis.